Today I'll show you how to configure your own special numbers on a PABX, Panasonic PABX intercom system. So I have my console here. I'm going to type in the password *#1234 and it will take me to program. Then I'll scroll down to extension number, which is extension 003. So we'll start with the number. I'm going to go ahead and press enter. So for instance, I want to change extension number 212 to 306. What I'm going to do is to scroll down to where I have 212, and then I'm going to punch in my desired number, which is 306, after which I am going to press store to save the number that way. So 306, and we'll scroll down to 306. So what I'm trying to do right here is 306 is already assigned number, so I can't use the number again. So what I'm going to do is to reassign 306 and give it another number. So this is 306. I'm going to reassign it, give it another number that is off range number. So I can decide to give it 980. So 980 is off range number. I know I'm not going to use 980 or 981. So I am going to give it a number that is off range. So now that I've given it a number that is off range, I'm going to go back to 212 and then reassign it to 306. So 306, you can see that I can save it easily here. Initially, the system will not allow me to save 212 as 306 before, because 306 was initially assigned. So let's move over to the next number. I have 137 and I want to change it to 812. So I'll scroll down to 137, 137. So this is 137. I will change it to 812. So I'll click on save. So this has been saved. 137 has now been saved as 812. So we'll go to the next number, 132. I want it to ring as 802. So I'll scroll down to 132 and then I'll punch in 802, then press enter or store, whichever one. So 132 has now been saved as 802. So we'll go to the next number. I have 104. I want to change it to 803. So I'll scroll down to 104 and then I'll punch in 803 and press enter or the store button. So press enter or store button, whichever one is convenient for you. So that has been saved. We'll go to the next number. So scroll down to 129. Then I'll punch in 807. Then I'll press enter or store button. So I have 125 and I want it to be 806. So I'll scroll down to 125, punch in 806, press enter or store button, whichever one is convenient for you. So in case I haven't done already, like and subscribe to the channel. I have great videos on how to fix all kinds of office equipment, from laptops, desktop, intercoms, cameras, and anything that has to do with office devices. I repair and fix them on this channel. So like and subscribe so that you can get access to these great repair videos. So I have 141 to 810. And then I have 167. I want to customize it to ring whenever I dial 903. I have 147. I want it to ring as 1001. So this will not be able to go through. That is because it is out of the number range. So I'm going to include it in the number range. So what we'll do is to add it to the number range. So that is how you fix it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.